Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 15 and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started you will need to add a toggle. So we'll begin by opening up our settings and navigating to Control Center. And in here scroll down and somewhere you should find a screen recording toggle. Exactly like this one. When you see it, press on the plus button and this will add it to your toggles right over here as basically the last one. So once you have it added, whenever you want to record your screen, just tap on a toggle. It will begin a 3-second countdown and begin recording. Once you're done, you can tap right over here and select the square. This will automatically save the screen recording to your Photos application right over here. And you should have it somewhere in your library. So I believe this is, oh, not the one. Could it be this one? Yep, that's the one. Now, with that being said, you can also find your screen recordings possibly a little bit easier by going into your albums and scrolling down, and here you'll find screenshots and also screen recordings. And when you click on it, obviously this will contain just your screen recordings that you have captured over the time. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.